It is 8 a.m. in Rio de Janeiro. We're going to hike the highest peak in the city, Pico da Tijuca.
Really?
Bora, bora. We are here and we're gonna hike up here. Unless we turn around and do it again. Generations change in a blink, the bands extinct. Find your lover or your flash of fame before you wake up from your dream. Alright, we finished the couple miles of paved road. And now we're going to commence the dirt trail, about 2 kilometers more to the top of the peak, and a lot of elevation gain. Everything changes when the lights call, light shine, season the heartbeat of a lovely reckless time. Alright, we have arrived at the iconic steps here that are carved into the peak. And we're going up. A gente chegou, porra. Alright, on the top of Pico da Tijuca. Got Barra over here, Pedra da Gávea, Dois Irmãos over there, Zona Sul do Rio de Janeiro. On the other side of the mountain, views of the bay. And way off in the distance, you can see the mountains of Rio, Zona Norte. One word to describe the hike. Easy. That's piece of cake. That's 3 words. All right, back to the peak. Back down to the bottom. Successful day of hiking. When the lights call, light shine, season the heartbeat of a lovely reckless time. Everything changes when the lights call, light shine, season the heartbeat of a lovely reckless time. Good views, lots of wildlife, excellent weather today. Overall, it was a good hike. Worth it if you're in Rio.